Hello everyone and welcome to another unboxing from EMK. Well, you can see that lightning at the side there. Today we have the next AC/DC coin struck by the Royal Australian Mint. This is a 1 ounce silver uncirculated coin. You can see the Royal Australian Mint logo there. And it is a very special commemorative coin in honour of these Australian legends. Very cool. So obviously there it's a licensed product. Excellent. Let's get into it. Oh, so cool. So for any of you out there that are AC/DC fans, this is the next coin in part of the AC/DC commemorative coin series. Struck by the Royal Australian Mint. You've got some info there and of course your coin specifications. So it's 39 silver. There's 30,000 pieces struck, and I really like that sort of the numbered box there. That plate that they give you is very, very cool. Let's take a closer look at the coin itself. Fantastic. Love the design of this coin. There we can see Angus Young there. Of course, known for his energetic performances on stage and that iconic school uniform. Very cool. And I love the sort of netting that goes around the design of this coin. Very chunky, of course. And it is struck in Australia, so we've got Queen Elizabeth II there, and it does have a face value of $1, 2023 of course. Very nicely done by the Royal Australian Mint. Now unfortunately we can't open these capsules, but let's zoom in and take a closer look at this detail here. Looks like you've got some broken pieces shattering coming out of this image. That 3D effect there. Very cool. Angus Young really going for it there. Belting out the tunes. Very cool. So here we are celebrating 50 years of AC/DC. Very, very cool. Now this artwork here on the coin is inspired by the cover artwork of some of their most iconic albums, and really fits well with the coin design. Once again, Her Majesty Queen Elizabeth II, 2023, $1. Awesome. So for those of you out there that are AC/DC fans, you may want to take a look at this coin on our website. That's www.emk.com. And also take a look at the rest of the coins released on behalf of AC/DC, or to commemorate AC/DC. Very cool.